Formula One is about to change more dramatically than anyone has seen in decades.
Picture smaller cars, revolutionary electric power, and completely new active aerodynamics influencing every lap.
We are breaking down every single rule shift for the 2026 season in the simplest, fastest guide possible. After years of complaints, the bulky, heavy machinery finally gets a much-needed reduction in size. The overall width of the car is being aggressively trimmed down to enhance on-track battles. You can also expect a massive cut to the overall length of the chassis to improve agility. The target weight is dropping by 30 kilograms, marking the most significant weight reduction in 10 years. These physical changes will translate directly into better cornering and fewer instances of cars getting lost in dirty air. Forget the familiar drag reduction system, because that familiar button is officially being retired. It is being completely substituted with a sophisticated, brand new, active aerodynamic system. This new tech features an X mode, designed to maximize downforce when the car is navigating tight corners. Conversely, a Z mode will be engaged to significantly reduce drag while flying down the main straights. Critically, both the front and rear wings will now adjust their surfaces dynamically throughout a single lap. This automation fundamentally changes the entire approach to overtaking maneuvers for the drivers. The most significant technical shift focuses on the completely re-engineered power unit for 2026. The traditional internal combustion engine component will see its power output intentionally reduced. In a major flip, the electric boost from the battery system will be almost exactly doubled. We are talking about a colossal 350 kilowatt T-hybrid boost, putting it nearly on par with high-performance road EVs. The current MGUH unit, which recovers heat energy, is being completely removed from the system. This elevates the MGUK system to become the absolute star component in managing energy deployment. Fueling the new era, Formula One will transition to running exclusively on fully sustainable, non-petroleum fuel. This new blend will include advanced synthetic fuels and materials derived from bio-waste sources. This monumental change represents the sport's largest environmental step forward, increasing relevance to road car technology. While ground effect remains a core concept, its overall influence on the car's performance will be slightly dialed back. The design teams will now need to place a greater emphasis on managing the upper bodywork aerodynamics. Expect to see noticeably smaller main wings, designed to operate in a different aerodynamic window. The underfloor Venturi tunnels will be weakened slightly to help reduce the amount of disruptive wake created behind the car. The entire philosophy is about promoting closer wheel-to-wheel action by lessening the disruptive effect of the slipstream. The new power units demand that the cars harvest significantly more energy through braking than they ever have before. If a driver fails to manage this regeneration properly, the battery could literally deplete before they reach the checkered flag. Therefore, the art of lift and coast, driving, and smart energy deployment will become absolutely paramount. In this new formula, the energy recovery system is set to become the most critical factor in overall race strategy. History shows us that whenever Formula One introduces a complete regulation reset, the established pecking order often gets dramatically flipped. Think back to 2009, when the surprising Brawn GP team shocked everyone by taking the championship. Similarly, the dominance of the Mercedes era began right after the major 2014 engine changes. The 2026 technical overhaul presents another massive opportunity for a complete grid reset. Newcomers like Audi, entering with a blank slate, could immediately find a sweet spot in the new rule set. Established giants like Ferrari and Mercedes possess the massive resources required to adapt quickly to this new challenge. We should brace ourselves for surprises, unexpected results, and a potentially brand new hierarchy of performance. The way these lighter, more powerful cars handle on track will feel completely alien to the current drivers. Drivers must quickly learn to manage the inherently less stable rear axle behavior created by the active Aero. The sudden massive spikes of hybrid power will also require a total recalibration of throttle input. Ultimately, the aggressive, late-braking specialists might thrive, while the ultra-smooth operators could struggle initially. For the spectators watching at home, the 2026 season is essentially going to feel like watching an entirely different motorsport. We are guaranteed to see closer racing, more dramatic overtaking battles, and far more strategic complexity. All of this unpredictable excitement ensures that the narrative of underdog moments and surprise winners will be amplified. So that summarizes the biggest shakeup in modern Formula One history, setting the stage for an incredible 2026 campaign. Now it is your turn to weigh in. Which manufacturer do you predict will master these brand new regulations first. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and I will catch you in the next video.